Hi, Jennifer Castle here. Just time for a bit of a market update on what's happening in the Perth market. A lot of people have noticed that properties are getting listed for sale and then going under offer really quickly at the moment. There is still an awful lot of buyer demand out there, and one of the main reasons for this is the lack of stock. We've got 10,371 properties on the market as of the 25th of October, and this is a decrease of 27% from this time last year. So a lot less stock is on the market. However, last week there was also an increase in sales. There was 946 sales. This time last year there was only 603 sales. So there's been a lot more activity with buyers actually going out there and buying property, yet there's been a lot less for them to buy. And that's one of the reasons that buyer activity has been driven up, because of this lack of stock in general. And buyers are coming in at the moment because WA is having a little bit of a resource boom, for want of a better word. We can see that there's been an increase in job creation, there's been an increase in prices for oil, for gold, iron ore, and a number of other minerals have really solidified their pricing structure, and their demand has grown. There's also been a rise in investment in exploration. So the mining sector is really starting to get going, and unemployment in WA is now down to pre-COVID levels. So there's a lot of people out there who are really ready to buy right now. The biggest question I get asked, or the biggest problem people seem to have when it comes to selling at the moment, is that they're worried that there's not going to be something for them to actually buy once they sell their house. Now, the problem with that is that they aren't selling yet because they can't buy, but the people they want to buy from aren't selling because they can't buy, and they're not selling because they can't buy. And as you see, it just perpetuates the problems. So there's a couple of things you can do. One, take advantage of the market and what it is right now. Put your house on the market and sell it, and then, you know, look for something to buy. You know exactly how much you can spend. You know what you're there for. You're a cash unconditional offer. Best offer that anyone else can receive, which is fabulous because subject to sale isn't working in this market. So you can go in there, you can put it down your offer. Worst case scenario, you look at renting. However, I know there's not many rentals on the market either, so I can understand that people having a challenge with that. The other thing you can do is look at some sort of finance or bridging finance, because the market is so good. The chances are you are going to sell your house pretty quickly. The only risk with bridging finance is that you might spend too much on what you're looking to buy. So in this scenario, it's a really good opportunity for you to get an appraisal done on your property, and a really fair appraisal that gives you really good boundaries, so you know exactly what you can look for, and you're then happier to go ahead and look for your next home. So if you need a market appraisal done for that purpose, please give me a call and I'd be happy to come out and have a look for you. So what's happening in East Fremantle and South Fremantle and Fremantle? Well, Fremantle's down a little bit on the median price, only like 0.4% or something, but East Fremantle is up over 3.5%, and the median house price in South Fremantle is also up 2.4%. And there is, in general, as I said, a lack of stock, a lack of good stock. So that's why the market is moving, and WA is doing quite well. Not just in COVID, but in property too. That's all for now, and we'll catch up with the next update.